So in this video I will show you how to set up TypingMind with DeepSeek. And so we'll be using kluster.ai, which provides a US-hosted DeepSeek model. The first thing you do is click on the models here, and press Manage Model, and up here we do Add Custom Model. Then start out by adding a name, DeepSeek, copy the URL into the endpoint. So we are here using API kluster.ai, and then v1 chat completions. And we of course want to use the R1 model. I can't recall, I think it's 60,000 in length we have. You can fill in the pricing if you feel like. And then the last thing we need to do is just add the headers. So for that you need to go to the cluster website, the platform.cluster.ai, go to the API key section, and then just issue a new key. And once you have your key, go back here, type bearer, and just copy your key into this authorization field. After that, you can press test and just test that it's working.